I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5. To begin your adventure, you will explore a vibrant, expansive open world set across Mexico. Your first steps involve completing exciting showcase events, which introduce you to the game's diverse environments and unlock the main Horizon Festival. You will then select your very first car from a fantastic lineup, learning essential driving controls like acceleration, braking, and steering to master the roads. As you progress, you will dive into the heart of the Horizon Festival, engaging in a wide array of race types. These include high-speed road races, challenging dirt events, and thrilling street competitions. Earning accolades and experience points is key to leveling up, which in turn unlocks exciting new cars, powerful performance upgrades, and unique cosmetic items to personalize your experience. Keep an eye out for those elusive barn finds, too. One of the most rewarding aspects is personalizing your vehicles. You can transform your cars visually with thousands of liveries, decals, and body kits, making each ride truly unique. Beyond aesthetics, you can significantly upgrade performance parts to boost speed, improve handling, and enhance braking capabilities. For advanced players, fine-tuning suspension, gearing, and tire pressure allows for optimal performance on any terrain. Don't forget to share your creations. Forza Horizon 5 offers robust multiplayer and social features. You can seamlessly join friends in Horizon Life, exploring the vast open world together and participating in cooperative events. Compete against other players in thrilling online races and challenges, testing your skills on a global stage. Unleash your creativity with Event Lab, designing and sharing custom routes. Plus, engage in exciting seasonal events to earn exclusive cars and unique rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.